Hello, my name is Danny Verdehem, and I would like to explain to you the MyURemote app. MyURemote is a universal remote app for Android and iOS, which allows you to control any device you have at your home, as well as your domotic system. It is MyURemote's intention to simplify the complexity of your combined devices. MyURemote looks like this. On the right side, you will see the basic common buttons on all devices. On the left side at the top, you have the different zone buttons. For each room, you can create an additional button, which you can easily label yourself. Below, you have the input selection buttons for that room. These buttons select what you want to do, so the activity you want to start in that room. We are now in the living room, and we want to start the Watch TV activity. We press the Watch TV button. The panel goes up, so the TV appears. The TV and cable tuner switch on automatically. The TV selects the correct HDMI input. The amplifier switches to the correct input. The amplifier is set to the correct mode. For this activity, it is the surround mode. By pressing one single button, you always start your chosen activity with the optimal settings, so with the best possible quality. From now on, your system is ready to watch TV. Pressing the Channel Plus button will select the following preset. For example, the cable tuner or satellite receiver, depending on your configuration. When I press Preset 1, the tuner switches to Preset 1. When I press the Volume Plus button, it's the amplifier that increases the volume, not the TV. MyURemote knows which button has to control which device. MyURemote also makes it very easy to switch to another activity. This is how we switch to the activity Use Media Server. With a media server, I mean a device that organizes your photo collection, your music, or your video collection. We use the Kodi Media Server in this case, but this can also be the Plex Media Server, Windows Media Player, Spotify, Apple TV, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or any other media system. Everything can be selected and controlled by MyURemote. We are now looking at our music collection, or any music found anywhere in our network. For example, we will select the first song of the Ray of Light CD of Madonna. There you go. The song is playing. Suppose we want to watch a movie. We select the menu Movies and select the movie we want to watch. And by pushing the play button, the movie starts to play. Another example, you can easily switch to Apple TV. MyURemote makes all equipment ready for this action. And with the same user interface, you now have full control of your Apple TV. In the same way, you can also operate your DVD or Blu-ray player, your projector, or any other device at hand. Because MyURemote controls all your devices over your network or Wi-Fi, you can put your appliances in a closet. It's not like an infrared remote control that needs to see your devices. All commands communicate over your Wi-Fi network. Turning all devices off can be done with one action. You press the off button and all devices switch off. When you want to hide the TV, press the panel down macro button, which activates the wall system. I would like to show you how to switch to another room as well. Suppose we want to use MyURemote in the kitchen. We select the kitchen zone and we see on the display that the sound in the kitchen is in standby. We notice that when we turn on the amplifier for the kitchen, it will start at radio input and at volume level 54. We now turn on the amplifier in the kitchen and we hear the music in the kitchen playing. Now I'm in the kitchen, and I can use MyURemote to control all the devices configured for this room, again, with the same interface. For example, turn down the volume a bit, switch channel. Here, we can also activate Watch TV. We click on the activity button, Watch TV. TV, cable tuner, and amplifier switch on and in the correct setting. As you can see, it is very user-friendly, all done with the same interface in each room.